Alright. We're going to dice up the onions the same way. Then chop up the garlic cloves. Best way to do it. Press them flat. Once you squish them like that, the peels come right off. Oh, I just got this guy today. He's already growing. We can get that little piece out the middle. It's trying to grow. Let's see, there's no skin on that guy now. Easy peasy. But the fact that he's growing all these, you don't want, if it's got that little root growing in it, you don't want that in there. It gives it like a little bitter flavor to it. I've tried ignoring them before, but. Now I'm going to dice the onions up. I'm going to add it to the stew pot. Alright, so let's see how we're going to do this. I've got the onions. We're going to throw those in the pot. And I've got the other half of the cilantro bunch that I chopped up. That's going in the pot. And all that lovely, probably 6 or 7 cloves of garlic. Very garlic. So, we'll rinse that off. We've got a good little base here. We're going to season it up. Plenty of salt. We're going to do some chili powder. And some cumin. And I'm going to add some chicken stock, probably about another cup or so. And remember that if you're going to use those bouillon cubes or the powdered chicken base, which you can, just cut back on your salt. What I'm going to do is rinse these chicken thighs off.